Obi bia wotina wo ba bi ka say there's no king in Ghana, there's no king in Asante, there's no king in Asante no. Me pesa oto wo ho say Asante and Ghana are allies. Asante was a state on its own before Ghana was formed. There was Asante Kingdom before Ghana. And you know, Asante flag was invented or adapted in 1935, which makes it 91 years in 2026, 31st January. It is Saturday, Asante flag no 91 years. When Ghana's flag was invented in 1957, it is Ghana flag and so, enya say, enya 69 years this year. Entino, Mesrao, the Asante flag is way older than the Ghana flag. 69 years and 91 years. One can calculate the difference no. It do not think say Ghana ebetimi control Asante say Asante ensi the flag trust and answer on funny the into so. Secondly, Asante flag no. Moka ho asem say aden montia say over the weekend. Asante raising the flag e wo no ana himfie no. That was the Menchia Palace. Asante ahimfie. Asante Kingdom. Enti sorti na himfie no won the flag na we him the flag won na himfie. Me pacho onfa ma wo dem. Onfa ma wo dem. Otumfo ko Cape Coast. Okọ no the Asante flag koy. Me kai say ye koy no Cape Coast hene nso so. No no su kita flag. So obi abeka ya abemu aketua bia ya na okita flag a otumfo de netina ne na so a okache otumfo so ne flag ni mu an no okodwo nso aba ye nyina abeka isa asem no ye de sere wo man mu ha so onhwe ma no okodwo nso aba e ma na nka police ni kura eje enso otumfo eso mu ma no e ma akola ne kodwo nso bai eti sabra omu Asante ko Cape Coast no Cape Coast nso raise the flag high and no nkyere se omubuo mu ho chen obi dabi obia wona bakwasem e wo Ghana mamu ha eti se obi ye na ade na wo nti ase a na wabisa